Hey there! Welcome back to Healthier You. Here are the 15 best herbal teas to get rid of fatty liver and help improve your liver function. After watching this video, you will learn what herbal drinks are good for your liver. Healthy drinks choices are crucial for liver health, especially for those with fatty liver disease. Adding these herbal teas to your daily routine can be a simple and effective way to support your liver health and enhance its overall function. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of herbal remedies to uncover how certain herbal teas can work wonders in repairing and enhancing the function of your liver, all from the comfort of your own home. Make sure you don't miss a second of the video, because when you reach number 8, you'll be absolutely amazed at how this incredibly common herbal tea can help your liver. Ow! Imagine your body like a super cool city. Just like every city has important places that do different jobs, your body has different parts that do different jobs too. One of the most important parts is called the liver. All the blood leaving the stomach and intestines passes through the liver. The liver cleans up your blood. It removes all the bad stuff, like toxins and chemicals, that you don't need. It's like having a superpowered vacuum cleaner that keeps your blood nice and clean. Sometimes, doctors want to ensure that your liver superhero is doing a good job and working properly. To do this, they take a small amount of your blood and test it to see how well your liver is working. This is called a liver function blood test. An abnormal liver blood test can suggest fatty liver disease. Before we dive in, kindly note that all information you'll find in this video is fact-checked, unbiased, and reviewed by qualified professionals. For more information, please see references list in the comments section below. Leaf 1 is Dandelion Leaf Tea. We kick off our list with Dandelion Tea, known for their detoxifying properties that can help repair your liver. Check out the amazing liver benefits of Dandelion Leaf Tea at home. These leaves are rich in antioxidants and can help reduce liver inflammation and aids liver function. Drink Dandelion Herbal Leaf Tea at home to help improve your liver function test and keep fat off your liver. Leaf 2 is Nettle Tea. Dried nettle leaves make a delicious, healthy herbal tea that is good for the liver. It can help get rid of excess fat in the liver. The dried leaves can be steeped to make a delicious herbal tea that you can drink at home to repair your liver and improve its overall function. Studies indicate that stinging nettle leaves have potential health benefits, as they may help reduce inflammation in the liver and support its function. They are rich in nutrients, and the tea has antioxidants that can aid in cleansing and repairing the liver. Studies suggest that the antioxidants found in nettle leaves tea can help improve fatty liver disease by reducing the accumulation of calcium oxalate. Leaf 3. Parsley Leaves. Parsley leaves are not just a garnish, they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit your liver health and aid in its repair. It's like a natural remedy to help get rid of fatty liver. Did you know that drinking parsley leaf tea can help heal your liver naturally? It's packed with iron, which is great for improving circulation and preventing anemia. Plus, the folic acid in parsley can help restore your liver by keeping your blood vessels healthy. Not only that, it also has anti-inflammatory properties that support the liver detox processes. Leaf number 4. Basil leaves are super powerful for your liver. Try making basil leaf tea at home to give your liver a boost and improve its function. Your liver will thank you. Basil leaves are a powerhouse for detoxing your body. This herbal leaf helps shield your liver from the harmful effects of toxins like alcohol and drugs, helping to prevent fatty liver disease. Ayurvedic practitioners recommend steeping holy basil leaves in hot water for 10 minutes to make tea. This tea is caffeine-free, so it's safe to drink every day and is actually recommended by doctors. Next up is Coriander leaves, also known as cilantro, are a flavorful herb with powerful detoxifying properties. Did you know that coriander leaves can help cure fatty liver? These leaves are not just great for adding flavor to your dishes, they are also beneficial for tea lovers. Drinking coriander leaves can cleanse your liver and even improve its function. It's such a simple herb with amazing liver health benefits. Coriander leaves are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds like cineol and linoleic acid. These powerful substances can do wonders in reducing inflammation in your liver and decreasing the risk of fatty liver-related complications. This herbal tea can help remove heavy metals from the liver and support its health. Leaf 6. Astragalus Leaves. This is another powerful herbal leaf that can be used to make tea to help improve fatty liver. Why not give Astragalus Tea a try at home and experience its potential liver health boosting properties for yourself? Astragalus is a herb commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine. The herb is said to offer multiple health benefits for multiple conditions, including liver benefits. The tea contains natural cleansing agents that remove heavy metals and other harmful substances from the blood, helping to heal your fatty liver. This incredible herb is packed with medicinal compounds like saponins, isoflavonoids, and polysaccharides, all of which have powerful therapeutic properties. Studies suggest that astragalus may even help protect against fibrosis and high-fat diet-induced fatty liver. Leaf number 7 is mint leaves. Mint leaf tea can help reduce liver damage caused by fatty liver disease. You may have drank mint leaves for their soothing properties. They can help reduce fat buildup in the liver and flush out toxins. Leaf 8. Plantain leaves. You might not believe it, but plantain leaves tea has anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties that benefits your liver. Not to be confused with the banana-like plant that is well known for its use in Caribbean cooking, Plantago major is considered one of the best healing herbs on the planet. Plantago major can be added to water or fruit juice, and you can drink it every day to keep fat off the liver. If you suffer from a fatty liver disease, drink 1 cup a day to help remove fat from your liver and help heal your liver naturally. The next leaf tea to drink to help reverse fatty liver disease and remove fat from your liver is lemon balm leaf tea. It's known to support liver repair. Lemon balm leaves also have natural diuretic properties, aiding in liver detoxification. Lemon balm leaf tea is good for almost everything, including your liver. Lemon balm leaves are a versatile herb with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties to help get rid of fat in your liver and improve liver function test. Leaf 10. Burdock leaves. Burdock leaves are a powerful natural remedy that can repair your liver and improve its function. They are also excellent for liver detoxification. Burdock leaves make a really simple tea that can keep fat off of your liver. Drying burdock herb leaf can help reduce the fat in your liver and inflammation, protect liver cells from damage, and support the body's natural detoxification processes. This herbal leaf tea may help reduce liver damage from alcohol by purifying the blood and eliminating toxins from the liver. Leaf 11 is sage leaves, for improved liver function test. Sage leaves possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help fight liver disease. Did you know that sage leaves provide numerous liver protective benefits? Sage has been used in traditional medicine to treat and safeguard against liver-related disorders for generations. Sage has vitamins A and C, as well as other antioxidants that can help reduce the fat in your liver and improve liver function. This green spice is easy to add to almost any savory dish. It can also be enjoyed fresh or dried as a tea to help get rid of fat from your liver. Leaf 12. Rosemary leaves. This impressive herb has many health benefits, including liver health benefits. Studies show rosemary has the incredible ability to repair and improve liver function. Rosemary leaves are not just for seasoning, they make a delicious herbal tea with liver protective benefits. These leaves contain compounds that can help reduce liver inflammation and support liver regeneration. Leaf number 13 is milk thistle, also known as silymarin, is another herb that can help people with liver disease. Milk thistle is a popular herb well known for its liver protective benefits. You can even eat the leaves raw or make a simple tea at home to help heal your liver. Milk thistle has been used for over 2,000 years to treat bile duct and liver conditions. Did you know that milk thistle has been shown to improve liver function and increase survival in people with cirrhosis or chronic hepatitis? Leaf 14 is peppermint leaf, which is also known for its cooling effect. Peppermint tea can help reduce fat from your liver and improve its overall function. Always prioritize your well-being by consulting with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Peppermint leaves not only freshen your breath, but also offer liver-supportive benefits. They contain menthol, which can help relax bile ducts and promote the flow of bile for better digestion and liver detoxification. Number 15. Ginkgo biloba tea is renowned as an exceptional natural liver detox. This popular herbal leaf is linked to enhanced liver function and can assist in eliminating fat from the liver. A study on rodents demonstrated that ginkgo biloba injections reduced liver fibrosis and boosted overall liver function. For the best results, opt for 100% dried ginkgo leaves to brew a healing cup of tea for your liver. Plus, it's known as a restorative herb, which means it has the potential to rejuvenate your liver and bring it back to its healthy state. You may want to consider incorporating all these 15 herbal leaf teas into your diet to help get rid of fat in your liver. Your well-being is important, so take care of yourself. If you find these tips helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in our next video.